I'm Kara Ray with Montgomery Educational Consulting, and I'm here at Syracuse University in Syracuse, New York. And I just finished up a tour with a great student named Justin. You'll hear from him in just a little bit. But this is a wonderful school. If you are considering sort of a mid-sized university, Syracuse is about 14,000 students here, and a school with lots of different options to choose from in terms of your academics. It is probably best known for its Newhouse School for communications, broadcast journalism, media, all of those wonderful things, but also has fantastic programs in things like architecture and engineering and many more. There's lots of fun things to do here, taking the athletic events. I'm excited to go to the Syracuse basketball game today, or even some fun things like right behind me. Justin was telling me that students like to go sledding down that hill in the winter. There's no snow here right now, but I can imagine that that's a lot of fun. Lots of different intramural sports, great athletic facilities to check out, so definitely worth coming for a visit.
All right, my name's Justin Chair. I'm a senior civil engineering student here at Syracuse University from the city of Syracuse. All right, well, some advice I'd give to incoming freshmen is to look for a school that offers a lot of different strong academic programs, like here, where if you come in starting in one field or not knowing what you want to start in, you have the opportunity to look at programs in other schools. Like if I'm an engineering student, I've taken classes in the Arts and Sciences College, I've taken classes in the Business College, so there is that diversity academic-wise, which is pretty nice. So it's not solely one program here on campus. And if you don't know what you want to do or you want to change your mind, inter-university transfers are encouraged here. So if you come in starting, say I came in as engineering and I didn't like it, I could definitely, if I had the right GPA, transfer into another college here rather than trying to transfer entire schools. So I'd have to say that's probably the main reason I chose Syracuse, and all incoming freshmen should probably consider that when looking at a college. Also, orange is the best color in the nation, so number one.
What's great about a school like Syracuse is you do have the opportunity to change your mind. So if you come in thinking that you're interested in a particular major, that's great and you can continue along that path. But if you decide to change your mind, there are lots of opportunities here for you. So you may come in, start in one area, and decide to change your mind and switch to something in another area and do what's called an intra-university transfer. As you're thinking about going to colleges, this is definitely something I would encourage you all as prospective students to consider, because even though you think you may know what you want to major in right now, it's likely that that may change over the course of time. So make sure you're choosing a place that has a few different things that interest you, or at least gives you the option to change your mind once you're there. So having a choice like an intra-university transfer where you can switch between a particular college or school is highly recommended.